This weekend's flooding has been so devastating it has led Governor Whitmer to have to declare a state of emergency.
And that means that help will be on the way. But for many, I mean, this has been going on for the last 3 days. It can't come soon enough. We're talking homes and businesses, the roads and the freeways, all impacted by this damaging water. Rod Maloney joins us now live. He's been assessing the floodwaters along I-94. Where are you this time around?
Well, we're here at Livernois, just underneath. The helicopter just went by us, but this is a differing view of what you've seen. Now, one of the things that's out here today is that there is water under some bridges. Like we were at Lanyo, there is still water there. The water is receding here at Livernois, but as you can see, we've got at least a dozen cars, maybe more, with water marks up over the roof on a couple of these vehicles to show you how bad it was. Another thing that we've seen here is a couple of people have gotten past the barriers and been driving on this and taking video. Probably not the best idea, but let's take a little look at what has transpired this weekend and the way forward based on what the governor's been able to accomplish. The devastation is eye-popping. Water pouring into basements, vehicles bobbing in the unexpected and improbable surf. As the news spread, it brought out Metro Detroiters to see the damage for themselves.
Honestly, it's something unexpected. I can't even describe it.
Interstates shut down.
To come out and actually see this is mind-blowing for sure. I was like, I have to go out and look for myself, and there's no words.
The best words the governor can say at this point are state of emergency.
We're working closely with our local and federal partners. I've declared a state of emergency, and that can be amended at any time to include communities if necessary.
The governor in touch with the Federal Emergency Management Agency and Michigan's congressional delegation. But this process is less than speedy, and there are storms expected again over the next few days.
It doesn't happen immediately, but I wanted to get the declaration in so that the gears could start moving at the federal level. We're going to need assistance. We have people who have their homes flooded, and some of that is wastewater, some of that is sewage. Dangerous.
Now out here on the highway, one of the things that happened, according to MDOT, is that they have electric pumps that pump water during rainstorms, but they lost power. And so they brought in generators for 3 of the 4 of those pumps. But here in I-94, they say that as soon as they pumped the water out, it just came back in. And so they couldn't use those generators. It looks like they're beginning to get on top of that now, but there is still a lot of water in a lot of different places. And of course, this mess has to get cleaned up as well. Chances are it's going to be later today, maybe even tonight by the time they get this taken care of. Reporting live in Detroit, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
Just think about the people who are waking up and seeing their cars abandoned there. The Red Cross is offering shelter to people in Metro Detroit that are impacted, and maybe your homes are even unlivable because of the flooding. You can call this number, 800 Red Cross, for assistance, or go directly to one of 2 shelters that have been set up. We do have the numbers and the locations, the Butzel Family Center in Detroit and the Pioneer High School in Ann Arbor. We also have that on our website at clickondetroit.com.